Hi children, from this video we are going to start new lesson, interesting lesson, respiration. Shall we start? First of all, place your hands on your chest. How do you feel now? You can feel the chest moving up and down, right? You know what? That it is due to breathing. How do we breathe? The respiratory organs and the mechanism of breathing, everything we are going to discuss from this video onwards, right? We eat food to get energy. We should note that the process of breathing connected to the process of release of energy. We take food in the form of idli, vada, dosa, pongal, noodles, right? Whatever it may be, it is converted in the form of C6H12O6, glucose. When we breathe, the oxygen reacts with glucose and it gives energy. Along with the energy, it releases carbon dioxide as a harmful and waste substances. Right? As you have read earlier, oxygen is utilized by the organism to indirectly break down the nutrient molecule like glucose. Then only it drives energy for performing various activities, to walk, to talk, to run, etc. Carbon dioxide is a harmful and also released during the above catabolic reaction. It is therefore evident that oxygen has to be continuously provided to the cells and carbon dioxide produced by the cells have to be released out. Respiration is the physiological catabolic process in which gaseous exchange occurs to oxidize the food. The energy generated is utilized and byproducts carbon dioxide and water are given out. So respiratory system is very essential. Respiration. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide happens between the environment and cells, right? Organic nutrients broken enzymatically and provides energy to our body. What is the main function of respiration? The 5 primary functions of respiratory system are the exchange of gas, that is the main function, to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide between atmosphere and blood, that is point number 1. Point number 2, to maintain homeostatic regulation. Homeostatic regulation means keeping our body in optimum temperature. தன்னிலைப்படுத்துதல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் தமிழ்ல, homeostasis, right? To maintain homeostatic regulation of body acid base balance, that is pH, and it protects us from inhaled pathogen and pollutant. To maintain the vocal cords for normal communication, that is vocalization. Respiration, primary function of respiratory system, to maintain the vocal cord. Touch your throat on the above surface. Just say how do you feel now? You may get vibration, right? So that is vocal cord. So the vocal cord is maintained by respiratory system to get normal communication, vocalization. To remove the heat produced during cellular respiration. These are all main function of our respiration. Right? Respiratory organ in various organisms. Different animals have different organs for gaseous exchange based on their habitat and levels of organization. Habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is the place where an animal lives. The nature of respiratory organ depends on the habitat of an animal. Example, where do fishes live? Fishes live in water. So they have gills to respire. What about reptiles? They live on land. So they respire through lungs. Levels of organization. According to the level of organization of animals, breathing mechanism varies. For example, poriferan. These are poriferan, right? Poriferans have cellular level of organization. In them, no well-developed tissues, organs are present. That's why they can exchange of carbon dioxide, oxygen between simple diffusion. So, poriferans takes place with the help of that oxygen, carbon dioxide takes place through the simple diffusion over the entire body surface. What is simple diffusion? Movement of molecule from their higher concentration region to their lower concentration region. So, amount of dissolved oxygen low in water compared to the air. Rate of breathing in the aquatic organism faster than land animals. Yes. Shall we see some of the organisms and their respiratory organs? What about sponges, coelentrates, flatworms? Through the body surface with the help of the, now only I explained, with the help of the simple diffusion that respiration happens. Earthworm, through the moist skin, they use their cuticle as their respiratory organ. Cuticle is the outermost covering of the body utilized for the simple diffusion of gases. It is a thin, moist, vascular, so that diffusion of gases takes place easily in the earthworm. What about insects? Now only we completed type study of insect cockroach, tracheal system. Like cockroach, they have a network of tube which is known as tracheal system to transfer the atmospheric air within the body. These tubes having small opening spiracles. Now only we completed. Oxygen enter inside the body of insects and carbon dioxide go outside the body with the help of the spiracles. Okay, metathoracic, mesothoracic and abdomen spiracles are there. The spiracle leads into tracheal tube. Right, now only we completed the last type study. Yes, insects, tracheal tube play a vital role. Aquatic arthropod, mollusk. Right, what about aquatic arthropod, mollusk? Through the gills. Now vertebrate. Fishes use gills for respiration. Then reptiles, birds, mammals uses vascularized lungs. What about amphibians, frogs, water. Under the water, with the help of the moist skin, it will do the respiration. What about the land? It uses its lung for respiration. I hope you can understand well. Thank you, children.